Assalamu alaikum. This is Sabir Hussain before you. I hope you all are doing great and well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So I'm on cloud nine as well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So it's a bit exciting to be here because for the first time I have come in front of the camera. So today I would like to talk about hospitality. So do you know what is the meaning of hospitality? Hospitality means welcoming and taking care of a guest in a friendly way. So basically, this is most important thing for our country. So this is important part of our daily life. Like it include all the hotels, restaurants, airlines, and mostly important thing is our tourism sectors. A good hospitality makes all the people together, and it feels all the people respected and happy. How works in hospitality? They should have good manners, communication skills, and helpful attitude. They also should have the smiley faces and try to solve the problems quickly. And if we look at our Cox's Bazar, that time we see there are a lot of peoples who comes from the different places, different countries. So most of the times they are facing so many problems. Like Cox's Bazar has a lot of scammers. It also harmful for ourselves, for our country. If we want to move our country as a respected country, naturally beautiful country, then the government should take some steps about the scammers, because for them we cannot stand straightly in front of the world. The government should take immediate steps about them. So whenever the government will take steps about them, that time our country will be a very beautiful country. And thank you very much for listening me. That's all. Assalamu alaikum.